Ready to launch. Now we will try to launch this barrel with the help of carbide. Somebody will fly on it. We need calcium carbide. It is mainly used for gas welding. When it comes into contact with water, it produces very high ignition point gas. We need to fill the entire barrel with this gas. We ran the first experiment with the bucket. What matters is to wait long enough. Whoa! Have you seen the takeoff? Having been inspired by the results of the experiment, we went to a deep ravine for launching a 200-liter barrel. We have a stun gun and a long wire. We are discharging the stun gun into this area and it starts sparkling here. Let us shove this stick into the ground, then wrap a piece of insulation tape around the stick and the wire. Thus, we will be able to control our flying barrel remotely. Let us pour out some carbide and pour in some water. Let us keep at a safe distance. Whoa, the barrel took off like a real rocket and the sound was so loud and vibrant. It is a pity the camera does not convey this. Look at the aftermath. The grass has been pressed. Now we would like to introduce you a new member of our team. Here is our new stuntman. We are worried whether you will accept him or not. His name is Nafanya. Now we are going to sit our stuntman. We will let him fly. Let us give him a selfie monopode in order for us to see the flight from his perspective. His face looks very funny and satisfied. Is he still alive? The flight was so extreme that our selfie monopode did not withstand it. The flight was so fascinating, Nafanya liked it, and it wants some more. Share in your comments what other experiments you would like us to run with this stuntman, and we certainly will.